friends, welcome to my channel English with Asmita. In today's video, let us learn to practice the correct usage of prepositions in sentences so that we are able to convey the correct meaning or we are able to speak correctly. With the help of worksheet, we will be able to use the correct prepositions in sentences. So let us practice with the help of sentences and develop our spoken English. Ravi was standing dash his sister beside or besides, beside, beside, or beside. Now, though both the words they sound similar and we are just adding s before it, before another word, their spellings are different, so also their meanings differ. Beside, beside, beside meaning by the side of, and besides meaning apart from, excluding. So here Ravi was standing beside his sister, beside, by the side of, beside, and not besides. Besides playing cricket, I am good at drawing. So here besides playing cricket, I also love playing volleyball. So here we are using besides, besides. Can go out as long as you promise to be back dash 10 o'clock, before 10 o'clock or under 10 o'clock. We don't say under, but it should be before 10 o'clock. If you come before 10 o'clock, you can go out. So it is the meaning of the sentence. The next one, she rode her horse dash the mountains, over the mountains or through the mountains. We don't go through the mountains, but it should be she rode her horse over the mountains. I'm sure our guest must be at home dash now, by now or at now. By now, we say by now they will be at home and not at home. The next sentence, Roshan took photographs dash the statue dash several different angles. The options are from, of, and to. So let us correct this. Let us see the sentence, how it should be used, which preposition to be used where. Roshan took photographs of the statue, of belonging to, of the statue, from several different angles. See the next sentence. The newly elected leader vowed to fight dash the rights dash his people. The options are for, of, and with. Sometimes we get confused in the use of preposition, which one to be used. Sentence goes wrong. Grammatically we go wrong. So let us solve this. The newly elected leader vowed to fight for the rights of his people. For and of, for the rights of his people. Meaning belonging to, of his people. See the next one. The caves at Ajanta and Ellora were hewn dash hammer and chisel. The options are out, with, and of. Which word to be chosen? So the caves at Ajanta and Ellora were hewn using what? With the help of, with hammer and chisel, and not out or off. See the next one. The child fell headlong, dash a hole on the road. The options for this sentence are into, on, or by. So the child fell headlong, dash a hole on the road. So when something goes from outside to inside an enclosed area, we use into. So the child fell headlong into a hole on the road. We got off dash a small jetty and walked the rest dash the way. Options are to, off, and near. So the sentence should be we we got off near a small jetty and walked the rest of our way. Off, near, and off are the answers. Vitamins are necessary dash our health. Of, for, or in our health. Which one is correct? So vitamins are necessary for our health and not in or of. The next one, Mayuri jumped dash the pool to save the girl from drowning. Jumped into, jumped in, or jumped on. Which one is correct? So Mayuri jumped into the pool. From outside, she has jumped inside the pool. So Mayuri jumped into the pool to save the girl from drowning, and not she jumped in or on. See the next one. Spinach is full dash vitamins and minerals. The options are spinach is full in, with, or of. We don't say spinach. Spinach is a vegetable. So we say spinach is full of vitamins and minerals, and not full in. Full of, we say full of vitamins and minerals, and not full with. Spinach is full with vitamins and minerals. So the correct sentence is spinach is full of vitamins and minerals. See this sentence. Fruits and leafy vegetables are most important dash the maintenance of our body. The options are to, for, and from. So which one to be used? Fruits and leafy vegetables are the most important for the maintenance of our body, and not. Fruits and leafy vegetables are most important for the maintenance of our body. Good and nutritious food is the key dash good health. Options are to, for, or in. So good and nutritious food. So good and nutritious food is the key to good health. 2 is the correct option. Yash stood dash Soumya and Shweta. Between or among. So when there are two people involved, we use between. So he stood between two of them. Yash stood between Soumya and Shweta. The UNO tries to maintain peace dash the nations dash the world. The options are between, among, and of. The options are between, among, and of. Now let us try to frame the sentence. The UNO is the United Nations Organizations, tries to maintain peace among the nations of the world. Of is among is used because there are many, more than two nations are involved, so we use among. So the UNO tries to maintain peace among the nations of the world. Cutter cut the tree dash his axe with his axe or by his axe. Which one is correct? So the woodcutter cut the tree with his axe. So with, using axe, so with his axe and not by his axe. When we are using the medium or the material or the instrument by which something is done, we use with. Raghav is a man dash principles of, to, or in principles. So Raghav is a man of principles. Of meaning we use in order to show belongingness. So his qualities, he is a man of principles. So in order to show that he has got good principles, we use of. He is a man of principles. Here is the book that you were asking dash. Here is the book that you were asking dash. Asking of, for, or to. So the correct sentence should be framed like this. Here is the book that you were asking for. Asking for. Now see this sentence. What are you talking dash? What are you talking of? What are you talking about? What are you talking on? Of, about, or on. Now this is a bit confusing which preposition to be used here in the sentence. Now we say, when we use this sentence, we say what are you talking about? Talking about, and not what are you talking on or what are you talking of. So the correct option is what are you talking about? What are you discussing? Here also we get confused which preposition to be used. Jaya got angry dash Payal. See the sentence. Jaya, options are to, on, or with. Angry with. The adjective angry goes with the preposition with. We will have to remember this. So Jaya was angry with Payal and not on. We don't get angry on, or we don't get angry to. So the correct answer is Jaya got angry with Payal. I did not think he would be capable dash doing anything. Options are of, for, or in. So the sentence should be framed like this. I did not think he would be capable of doing anything. So of doing anything is the correct answer. if you have found the video useful, please like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to master this skill, if you want to learn this language which connects you to the world, then do practice. With the help of practice, we will be able to gain the mastery over this language. So thank you for watching my video.